Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chibro Masagari Channel, a faith healer o Zomata reader. So ngayong hapon, natutigyan natin ang sabi ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Libra. So, Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the Christian bell for more videos updates. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik digdig nag-uumapaw manubalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ka ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid nating Libra. Ano ang pinaka-messages, advices for you ng ating masasagap for today's video? My goodness. Pinasabugan tayo kagad ng death card. So, ibig sabihin nito, there is an ending and a new beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos na at may mga bagay na magsisimula ulit. So, transformations, kumbaga maraming kaganapan sa buhay mo na mababago, maraming kaganapan sa buhay mo ang mag-grow at magkakaroon ng expansions. At the same time, kumbaga, may mga bagay din na may katapusan at matatapos na. It's either kahirapan po yan. So, sinasabi po sa inyo na kailangan muling bumangon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God! Pasabog talaga. Kumbaga sinasabi ng death card in the Wheel of Fortune, kumbaga there's a good luck coming in for you. There's a destiny to happen. At the same time, kumbaga umikot na yung kapalaran na mukhang turning into your favor. So, papabor na sa yung kaganapan. Kumbaga there's a harvest time. At the moment, and of course, sinasabi dito na kumukhang umikot na talaga ang roleta ng buhay mo. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, there's an ending. Tinapos na nga ang kahirapan. Tinapos na nga ang lahat ng sakit at sakripisyo na pinagdaanan mo this past few months or this past few years or this past few days. Sinasabi na sa'yo dito na mukhang makakamtan mo na with what you deserve. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is an Ace of Swords. There is a breakthrough. My goodness. Talaga magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na pinangahawakan mo o ginagawa mo or kung gusto mong maisa katuparan, no? Kumbaga, this is the moment, kumbaga, unti-unti na maisa sa katuparan at mailalahad ang hangarin mo sa buhay. There's a King of Swords, being wise. So, being wise, kumbaga sinasabi dito na kailangan mo maging wise at listo at maging matalino sa bawat desisyon sa buhay. No? Kumbaga, ang totoong tagumpay, no? Kumbaga, ang totoong tagumpay sa pagiging praktikal sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi yan puro pasikatan at hindi yan puro payabangan. So, maging praktikal ka sa lahat ng bagay kasi may mga bagay na, kumbaga, kung ano man yung pinangahawakan mo, maaring magbago. So, sinasabi dito, hindi sa lahat ng oras panahon, kumbaga, lagi ka na sa baba at hindi lang sa lahat ng oras ay lagi ka na sa taas. Kumbaga, there's a turning event, iikot ang kapalaran, kaya maging wise at listo at maging matalino sa bawat decision sa buhay mo. Additional messages. And of course, there is a Four of Pentacles. See, I told you, kailangan mo mag-invest, kailangan mo mag-savings, kailangan mo magtapay, at kailangan mong mag-budget. No? Additional messages. Give me an information to give additional messages. Okay. There's a judgment. See? A wake-up call. So, this is the moment na parang ginigising ka na sa katotohanan na kumbaga yung ginagalawan mo, unti-unti nang babaguhin ang tadhana mo. Kumbaga sinasabi ng judgment dito, kumbaga awakening or a wake-up call na ginigising ka na sa katotohanan o bangungot ng nakaraan, kumbaga ang kahirapan ay kumbaga malilisan na at lilisanin mo na ang sakripisyo at paghihirap mo. So, let's see what is the kumbaga the death card. What is the death card? What is the death card? So there is a Six of Wands. I told you, di ba? Kung that card represent an ending and a new beginning, a transformation that leads you a Six of Wands, a victory and success, di ba? Kumbaga, hindi siya negative energy, hindi siya negative thoughts or negative outcome itong the Death card. So sinasabi ng the Death card dito ay pagsimula ng panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. Kumbaga, magtatagumpay ka na. So what is the Wheel of Fortune? There's a Strength card. So, there's a Strength card to represent a confidence. Kung mag-alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. So, sinasabi na key is your, key is the success. So, key for success, parang ganon. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na ginagawa mo, pinagkakabalahan mo, or something na, kumbaga, trabaho mo, no? Kumbaga, alisin mo lang daw yung takot at pangamba mo kasi minsan ang takot natin yung nagiging susi para hindi natin magawa yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto natin maisakatuparan, 'di ba? Kumbaga, yan ang nagsisilbing balakid, no? Para magawa natin yung mga bagay-bagay na magbibigay sa atin ng pagbabago sa buhay. So, what is the Ace of Swords? There's a Page of Swords. There is an information. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng tagumpay with information dito ng Ace of Swords. There's a Page of Swords by clarity. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan, magkakaroon ka ng information, magkakaroon ka ng kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan. So, what is the King of Swords? There's an Hermit card. There's a soul searching. See? Being realistic at being, kumbaga, spiritual, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa hamon ng buhay, kailangan mo maging wais at listo. Kumbaga, kailangan, perfect ka. Kumbaga, pagdating sa finances, alam mo rin kung paano mag-grow at magkakaroon ng expansion. So, alam mo kung dapat paano hatakin yung swerte. Diba? So, what is the Four of Pentacles? There's the Lovers. See? Kumbaga, there's some partnership, there's an unconditional love or something, a deep soul connections pagdating sa love, life, and career. So, ibig sabihin, protect your power, protect your energy. So, what is a Judgment? So, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. A judgment, kumbaga, insight. So, ibig sabihin dito, a Page of Cups is an intuition or vision. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga pasilip sa iyo ang ating signs or synchronicities or ating angel spirit para maunawaan mo yung mga nangyayari behind your back. Kumbaga, there's a wake-up call, ginigising ka sa katotohanan na, kumbaga, mayroong bulong or something information sa iyo hinahatid na kailangan mo mag-pay attention. So, what is, kumbaga, there's a red flag, rather. So, what is the Death card and the Six of Wands? What is the Six of Wands and the Death card? So, there's a Seven of Wands. So, there's a information to protect your power, protect your energy. There's a victory, yes. There's a Death card, yes. Kumbaga, there's a transformations na makukuha mo yung victory. Pero kailangan mong protectionan yung grounds mo. Protectionan yung finances mo, no? And you are also protected na. Now, some of you. So, what is the Wheel of Fortune? There's a Strength card. So, there's an Emperor. Be mature enough and be grounded, no? Kailangan maging mature ka sa lahat ng decision mo, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Dahil, kumbaga, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo maging matapang sa hamon ng buhay, alisin mo yung pangamba mo, alisin mo yung takot mo. Kumbaga, kailangan maging mature ka na hindi ka na bata na magpapatalo sa bugso ng takot, parang tinatakot ka sa multo, parang gano'n. Kumbaga, there's some, conclusions na alam mong, hindi mo naman nakikita, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo rin, kumbaga, wag ka matakot, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga, yun yung magsisilbing, kumbaga, balakid mo para hindi mo may sakatuparan yung ginagawa mo or gusto mong gawin, no? So, what is the, parang illusions, parang ganon. Sinasabi na illusions lang yung takot mo. And because there is some Ace of Swords in the Page of Swords. What is the Ace of Swords in the Page of Swords? There is a Five of Cups. See? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, wag mo sasayang itong opportunity na ipapasok sa iyo ng ating universe. Kumbaga, there is a regret or something doubt. No? Alisin mo yan. Kailangan get more information. So, let's see what is the King of Swords and the Hermit card. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. So, there's a final push, no? Kumbaga, napakalapit mo na sa success. Laban lang ng laban. Step forward, no? Kumbaga, forward fearlessly. Lumaban ka na walang kinakatakutan. Magpatuloy ka. Ganon. So, what is the Four of Pentacles and the Lovers? And of course, there's a Star card. So, there's a wish fulfillment. Pagdating sa, kumbaga, love, life, career, magkakaroon ka ng healing and happiness. So, let's see what is the Judgment and the Page of Cups. So, there's a Four of Wands. So, there's a celebration. So, this is the moment na parang magkakaroon ng celebration dahil naunawaan mo, nalaman mo, yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin, no? Sineset aside mo na yung fear, yung kasi baka it's either fear, natatakot ka sa rejection or failure. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo i-embrace yan. So, let's see what is additional outcome. There's a Five of Pentacles. So, some of you guys nagkakaroon ng financial loss, no? Na sinasabi dito na kailangan maging aware ka sa pagdating sa gastos, pagdating ng pagbabudget. And of course, there's a King of Cups, there's a devoted and supportive person, no? May tao talagang lubos na nagmamahal sa'yo. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. So, some of you, there's an anxiety, deception, depressions, or something stress, no? Kumbaga, ang ganda ng reading mo, pero kumbaga, ang pinaka-outcome dito is your being stressed, and of course, financial loss, no? Kaya kailangan maging matalino. Of course, there's a harvest time. Don't you worry, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ng harvest time. Kumbaga, there's a Five of Wands in reverse. Kumbaga, lahat ng komplikado pagdating sa finances, makaka-recover ka na. So, kailangan mo lang i-let go tong fear. Kasi nagbibigay siya ng stress and anxieties sa'yo. No? Kasi natatakot ka baka hindi mo mabayaran yung ganto, yung utang mo, yung bills mo. So, kailangan mo i-let go yan. Kasi baka yung nagbibigay ng complication sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Parang sinasabi na, fear is your weakness. Parang ganon. Parang kahinaan mo tong takot na to. So, let's see what is additional Love Oracle card. There's an ahead of a card. Take chance and risk. Diba? Kung hindi mo ilalabanan, hindi mo susubukan, walang mangyayari. Diba? And of course, at the same time, wag mo ipapakita o wag mong i-show or something. Ibibigay yung, kumbaga, information or ideas or knowledge mo sa iba. No? Kumbaga, mayroon ka dapat pinangahawakan na alam mong magsisilbing, kumbaga, diploma mo yon. Ganon. And of course, there's the snake. See, may ahas. Kaya mag-ingat ka. Some of you baka may asa partner mo or something sa career mo, mag-ingat. And of course, there's a Cupid arrow. So, there's a lot of surprises. Some of you, if you are single, there's an have faith, love is coming. So, parating na ang love life sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Yin and Yang Oracle card, sorry. Yin and Yang Oracle card. Some of you guys, there's a disharmony or triggers, yung conflict na. There's a conflict and of course, oh my God, there's a toxicities. May toxic siguro dito, no? Or there's a negativity. Kaya nagkakaroon ng conflict. Kaya pa may conflict, no? Pero di sinasabi ng makatatapos na yung complications. And of course, there is an avoidance. Kumbaga, yun nga, statement. Of course, sinasabi dito, umiiwas ka sa mga bagay na alam mo hindi makakatulong sa'yo. Yung mga nagbibigay ng negative thoughts and negative energy sa'yo, no? And of course, ito yung toxicity. Siguro ito yung fear or something ego or something a toxic friend or toxic relationship or toxic surroundings or environment. And of course, sinasabi na there's an harvest time. Kumbaga, meron pa ring harvest time dito. Don't you worry. So, let's see what is the energy. Let's see what is this energy. Okay, for chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Kumbaga, from protection and your health mo, ha? And because there is a man holding a heart. So, some of you, ha? Kumbaga, meron taong talaga nagmamahal sa'yo ng lubos, no? If you are a man, kumbaga, ikaw ay mahawak ng puso ng taong mahal mo. Kung ikaw naman ay woman, kumbaga, may taong may hawak ng puso mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a star seeds, star ancestors. So, sinasabi dito, there's a hidden secret. So, some of you guys, meron pa nakatagong agenda dito or meron pa nakatagong something dito sa eksena na to, no? Sa ginagalawan mo or something na information sa'yo. Baka merong lihim na merong gumawa ng negative energy o sumpa sa'yo, no? Parang ganon. Or something na may negative energy kang kumbaga sa tahanan nyo, baka nakapagbukas ka ng portal for negativity. Kaya parang full of negativity dito. And also sa water your garden, nourishment and rest. So, kailangan mo ng pahinga. No? Kailangan mo rin ng pahinga. So, let's see what is this Montology. A time to give rather than take. So, mas maganda ikaw yung nagbibigay ng panahon at oras kaysa ikaw yung humihingi. No? You are good enough. No? Sapat ka na raw. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. Ikaw lang sapat na. And guarded and protected. So, some of you you are also guarded and protected. Or, kailangan mong guardiahan yung sarili mo or yung taong sa paligid mo or yung minamahal mo. Or either your finances and protect your power, protect your energy. And of course, the person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Some of you baka mapagkakatiwalaan yung kinakausap mo or yung lagi mong nakakausap, no? Or either your partner or loved ones, no? Additional messages. And of course, there's a forgiveness. May mga bagay na kailangan natin pakawalan, bitawan at ipagpatawad, no? Kasi, kumbaga, hindi naman sa na papatawarin mo sila by physical, no? Kumbaga, patawarin mo sila hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. Baka yun kasi nagbibigay ng blockages. And because there's a blame. See? Kumbaga wala kang iba sisisihin, kundi sarili mo lang. Kung ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga baka isa rin yan na kailangan mo pagpatawad na masyado mo sigurong sinisisi yung sarili mo sa mga lahat na nangyari. What is Archangel Raphael? Relaxation. So, kailangan mo talaga ng relationship, sorry. Relationship. There's a relationship involved. So, let's see what is the chakra. Let's see what is the chakra. There is enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat na nangyayari sa kaguluhan sa buhay mo. No? Ano man yung komplikado na yan, mabibigyan ng kasagutan. And of course, there's a guilt. May guilt talaga dito kung nakasisense. No? May galit talaga. And of course, there's an impatient. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon din ng dito. Kumbaga, nawawala ng, nauubos yung pasensya or something na maiksi lang yung pasensya, kailangan maging kalmado. And of course, there's a passion. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, gawin mo. Kasi baka makatulong yan sa'yo, lalo-lalo na yung abilities or skills mo. I-enhance mo yan. Additional messages for you. And of course, there's a light and love. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan pagdating sa pag-ibig or gawin mo lang, buksan mo ang puso mo at isip mo at maliliwanagan ka. And of course, there's a justice. Don't you worry, there's a justice will serve. Additional messages. Angel Spirit Guides. Okay. There's a reaching in your dreams. Go for it. So, ilaban mo lang daw kung ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin, no? And of course, there's a dragonfly by transformation. May pagbabago talaga magaganap dito, te. And of course, there's a spirituality. So, kailangan mong mag-meditate at contemplate, no? Okay, thank you. So, let's see what is angel's number. Jesus loving quotes. Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Ano gusto sabihin sa'yo ni Jesus? Heal the sick that they're in, and say unto them, the kingdom of God is come into you. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, pagagalingin ka niya sa mga sugat ng nararanasan, pinagdadaanan mo, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay lang na ipinapakita sa isigat para maunawaan mo yung nangyayari behind your back. Lahat ng sakit at sakripisyo na pinagdadaanan mo, lahat ng mga failure or something complication, lahat ng yan ay may ibig sabihin. Lahat yan ay pagagalingan na tihilumin, no? Maaari nga may mga bagay lang na kailangan mo pagdaanan para maunawaan mo lahat ng ipinaparating sa yung lessons, no? So, let's see, what is the angel's number? Angel's number represent, there's a 3, I am charismatic. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, expression comes naturally to you. You are very skilled in communicating your thoughts through conversation and creative forces. You are able to get others on board with your ideas. So, ibig sabihin, malakas ang charisma mo. Kaya mo sila mahatak, no? Kaya, yung ideas and thoughts mo, kumbaga, mo sila, na-engganyo mo sila. Kaya gamitin mo yan. Ang katangian na yan para sa iyong business at trabaho, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. Ano ko sinasabi dito, there's a forgiveness. My God, meron talagang pagpapatawad talaga, no? Sinasabi dito, today I bless each soul perceived to have hurt me. I release them to their own greater good. I can now see my past provides me with lessons that help me live more fully in the present. I no longer struggles with the with what has been said and done. I am grateful for every experience that has brought me here. I feel myself with our love and that pure and free. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga kailangan mo ng kapatawaran, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo ng kalayaan sa kaisipan, kalayaan sa nararamdaman, no? Kumbaga, yan ang bigat na yan nagbibigay sa'yo ng blockages para hindi mo malaman at hindi mo maunawaan yung mga bagay-bagay na binibigay sa'yo, pinagkakaloob sa'yo. Kaya hindi mo makita yung blessings na pinagkakaloob sa'yo kasi merong galit at puot, no, na nananaig dito. Kasi kaya pala there's a guilt, no? May galit talaga na kailangan mo ibitawan. Yung galit na yan yung nagsisilbing blockages. Kaya bitawan mo, pakawalan mo. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Libra. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalaan kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig na umapaw man ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!